Two more oil fields in Libya are being closed after an armed group took over pipelines to both deposits, further disrupting the OPEC nations' plan to boost crude production. El Feel, or Elephant, stopped production. State-run National Oil Corporation declared force majeure at the deposit, according to a person familiar with the situation who asked not to be identified because the information isn't public. The Hamada oil field will gradually stop pumping through Monday because of the pipeline closing, Arabian Gulf Oil Company spokesman Omar Al-Zawahiri said Sunday. Force majeure was also declared on Hamada, he said. Force majeure is a legal clause protecting a party from liability if it can't fulfill a contract for reasons beyond its control. An armed group closed the pipelines to Hamada and El Feel. Libya revived its oil production and exports before the recent disruptions. In July, crude production was at a 4-year high and exports were the most in 3 years, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. While the expansion has helped Libya's oil-dependent economy, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries is trying to cut global supplies. That effort has been undermined by recovering output at OPEC members Libya and Nigeria. Libya's biggest field, Sharara, has been shut for about a week after an armed group closed the pipeline that linked the deposit to an export terminal. The field is still not pumping. Libya, which holds Africa's largest crude reserves, pumped 1.02 MMBpd in July. It was producing 1.6 million barrels per day before a 2011 revolt set off years of fighting between rival governments and militias. El Feel is operated by a joint venture between Italy's Eni Spa and Libya's NIC. It has an output capacity of 90,000 barrels per day. Sharara, which is a production capacity of 330,000 barrels per day, is run by a joint venture between Libya's NIC and Repsol SA, Total SA, and VAG and Statoil SA.